Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The actual practice in carrying out these instructions has created certain difficulties, and the anti-corruption department has in fact been delaying the issue of clearance certificates till after the date of retirement of an officer, which creates consequential inconvenience. Stop. Government has reconsidered the whole matter in the background of the experience gained, and the instructions now given should be considered as cancelling previous direction on this subject. Stop. Government is quite clear and categorical in its view that officers with a suspicious record in regard to integrity, or whose action have resulted in changes being framed against them, should not obtain a pension till the position in regard to them had been cleared. Stop. On the other hand, it is also quite definite in this view that in the large majority of cases where officers have a blameless record as far as integrity goes, no avoidable delay in the grant of pension to them should be permitted. Stop. The instructions below endeavor to reconcile these. Who needs? Stop. Rules require that normally the pension case of an officer should be taken up for consideration about a year before his date of retirement, so as to ensure that all formalities are completed so that he can draw pension from the first day of retirement. Stop. Within the terms of these instructions, government can have decided that the administrative department concerned should, when the pension case of an officer is initially taken up about a year before the date of this retirement, make a reference to the anti-corruption department whether that department has any material on its record or otherwise to suggest that pension too should not be given. Stop. When such a reference is made to the anti-corruption department, there will generally be 3 classes of cases. Full stop. Over.